Hi, my name is Kay Greyson and I'm a rapper from Newcastle upon Tyne and I've been reading Look Up. This book is about Rocket, the stargazing extraordinaire who wants to be the greatest astronaut, star catcher, space traveller who has ever lived. Her mission in the book is to watch the Phoenix meteor shower and get everyone, especially her brother Jamal, who loves to look down at his phone, to look up and see the wonders of the universe. Now what I want to do today is create a rap that is inspired by Look Up. Our rap is going to be all about what we can see out in the world that someone who's not looking up or looking around might miss. So let's get warmed up by listening to a song that I made inspired by Look Up.
People spending all day looking down at their phones. Don't wanna go outside, just wanna stay home. If I did that, I would feel so alone. So I wanna go outside and see the unknown. I could build a rocket that would fly up to space. More than a trending topic, I could be something great. The whole world awaits, we should go participate. Come see the sun before it's too late. Maybe I could be a scientist, I don't know. Doing cool experiments to see something blow. There's so much to discover, so much to show. On the run, going fast, no need to be slow. No need for Wi-Fi and online connections. Need a new map for some new directions. There's too much to do, too much to mention. We're young and life's fun, so let's demand attention. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around.
Okay, did you enjoy that? Now we're going to start working on your rap. So let's break it down into very easy steps. First, make a list of 5 things that you've seen out in the world that you think are amazing. It could be anything. For example, if you've been to the beach and you've seen the sand or the sea, that could go on your list. If you've ever seen a football game or any event, that could go on your list. Or maybe you're just like Rocket and you love the stars in the sky. That could go on your list too. It can be anything. So make a list of 5 things that you think are amazing. Now you've got your list of 5, I want you to pick one. Pick the one that you think is the best or that you know the most about. When you've chosen, I want you to write down everything you know about it. So if it was the beach, you'd write about what it looks like. What did the sand and the sea feel like? What colours did you see? Why did you like it? Make lots of notes about it. Now you've done that, we're going to turn your notes into a rap. So going back to our beach example, if our notes said that we saw yellow sand and we saw the ocean and maybe it was really warm, maybe our rap would go like this. We went to the beach and the sand was yellow. So many people, I wanted to say hello. The water was blue and the sun was out. I want to jump in and splash about. See, it's just taking your notes and turning them into lyrics. A tip if you're struggling is to write down some words that rhyme with the words you've already got on your page. For example, yellow and hello, sun and fun, hat and sat. This will help you to come up with more ideas. Another tip is if you're really struggling and can't work it out, you could ask your friends or your family to come and help you. Now we have our rap, I want you to practice saying it out loud. Remember my rap from the beginning? People spending all day looking down at their phones. Don't want to go outside, just want to stay home. If I did that, I would feel so alone. So I want to go outside and see the unknown. Try saying it, and then at the end, add the chorus. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around, don't look down. Look up, look around. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed making your rap with me today, and I hope you enjoyed reading Look Up as much as I did. Keep reading and keep looking up.
People spending all day looking down at their phones. Don't wanna go outside, just wanna stay home. If I did that, I would feel so alone. So I wanna go outside and see